Okay, let's go over one more sample problem. And then you guys are going to practice on your own. And I want you to show me your answer before you leave for the day. And if you don't get to do that before you leave for the day, then you can post an image of it to the assignment. All right. Magnesium oxide. Okay, let's do some purple for fun. Okay, draw the electron dot structure for magnesium oxide. Mg. I know I'm going to have Mg, and I know I'm going to have oxygen. Let's do oxygen in a different color. Let's do it in blue. I'm going to draw them kind of side by side just to reduce the amount of work I have to do, and I want you to think about that too. Okay, magnesium is over here. It is in group 2, so it's going to have 2 valence electrons. Oxygen is here. It's in group 16, so it's going to have 6 valence electrons. Okay, let's get busy. Let's draw our valence electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, I see it needs 2 more, of course. Let's draw the purple ones here. 1, 2. That's all magnesium gets, right? It's just those 2. So I know this one's going to come over here, and this one's going to come over here. So let's go ahead and show that happening. I'm just going to draw an arrow here to show, okay, this was before. Now how am I going to draw these afterwards? Here's Mg. I hope I'm going to have enough space. Mg is going to get a 2 plus charge because it lost those 2 electrons. Let's draw our oxygen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. Those electrons got stolen as a 2 minus charge. And this could be our final answer. You can leave it like that. Or if you want to be, particular about it, we can draw a circle around. Oh my gosh, I'm doing a really messy job on line. But this is what I'm talking about. Okay, we could draw a circle around magnesium, right? It has its own 2 plus charge. Circle around oxygen. And we show them touching, and that represents that ionic bond, okay? So either one is fine. And that would be our final answer. Now, if I wanted to write, this is going to be the final, like the next step. Let's say I don't want to draw the Lewis dot structure. I just want to write the chemical formula for this. How many magnesiums do I have? I only have 1. Okay, it has a 2 plus charge, right? But that doesn't mean there's 2 of them. That's just the charge. I have 1 magnesium and I have 1 oxygen. So my chemical formula for this is going to be Mg. Oh, and I'm going to draw them next to each other as if it were a word, right? There's no space here. And that is my chemical formula. All right, and that would be the answer for that one. Now, if I have more than one, so let's look at the example up here of calcium with CaCl2. Ooh, what would be the chemical formula for this one? There's 2 calciums, or I'm sorry, there's 1 calcium, but there's 2 chlorines. So this would be Ca, and there's only 1, so that's fine. But I'm going to write Cl, but there's 2 of them, so I'm down here, I'm going to put the little 2, just like H2O, right? That little 2 down below. That would be the chemical formula for CaCl2. All right. So this is the next step. This is what we're going to be doing next. Because from here on out, we're not going to draw the Lewis dot structures as much, but I want you to be able to think, if you look at something like this, I want you to be able to visualize this in your mind. I want you to know, kind of be able to see this just naturally. And that's going to be really helpful later on.